saying that a bank offers loan to its customer on different type of interest rates, namely fixed rate, floating rate, variable rate. From the past data with the bank, it is known that customer avails loan on fixed rate, floating rate or variable rate with the probabilities 10%, 20%, 70%. A customer, after availing a loan, can pay the loan or default on loan payment. The bank data suggests that probability that a person defaults on loan after availing it at a fixed rate, floating rate and a variable rate is 5%, 3% and 1% respectively. Based on the above data, answer the following. First part in this one, what is the probability that customer after availing the loan will default on the loan payment? Dear student, here question want to ask that if the customer is going to default, correct? Uh, probability asking that if he's availing the loan and it will go for the default, then what will be the probability? So in this one, if you try to see, then it is directly talking about total probability theorem, that probability that customer availing loan will default on the loan. So because other many possibilities are there, many possibilities mean three kind of possibilities there. Like first of all, let even even event that customer that customer availing loan at what was saying, at a fixed rate, okay. Let E2 is the event, okay, event that customer availing loan at a floating rate, okay, floating rate. The third one, dear student, assume that E3 is the event that customer availing the loan at variable rate, okay. So all probabilities of these events also given, dear student. Probability of even given, that if any customer, means let's say 100 customers are there, the 10 customers are there, means 10% customers are there that they are going to avail the loan at what, at a fixed rate. So probability of even is 10%, means 10 divided by 100, that is 0.1 10 by 100, 0.1. Probability of E2, dear student, it is saying 20%, means 20 into 1 by 100, so 20 by 100, okay, it is 0.2. Probability of E3, it is saying that it is 70%, okay, so it will be 70 divided by 100, okay, so this one 0.7. One more thing you try to observe here, you know that whenever you are applying the total probability theorem, TPT, total probability theorem, then whatever the events will be given, let's say 2 events given or 3 events given, okay, the sum of the probabilities events should be 1, okay, because you know that it should be in the Bayes theorem. When you are applying, then events should be mutually exclusive and exhaustive, means what, any two intersections should be 5 and union of all should be total sample space. I also clear what I am saying. Now dear student, question is saying that the customer going to avail the loan. So customer will be availing the loan either by this way or by this way or by this way. Correct. Now after that saying it is going to be default. Okay. Then what is the probability? So you will be saying probability means event is what event it want to get, that it is going to D. Let's say D is the event. Let D is the event. Okay, let D event that default on loan payment default on loan payment. Okay, loan payment. Default means what? Like customer is trying to pay on the time but could not pay. Okay, so we'll be saying that it is going to default. Okay, so D, P of D is asking. Okay, so P of D, how will be writing? Total probability theorem, by the way, suggesting that what? Okay, that he gone through E1 into probability of D through E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of D while already D2 occurred plus probability of E3 while already D occurred. E3 occurred. Probability of D already E3 occurred. Okay, meaning what? How it is happening, that also you can think, because when it is going to be default by fixed rate, so first he will be choosing the fixed rate. So choosing the fixed rate and it is going to be default. So choosing the first rate, that probability is this one. Okay, already we got it 0.1. Now after that it is saying the percentage are that this will be default on fixed rate and floating rate and variable rate are 5%, 3%, 1%. So it is 0.5% means 5 by 100, 0.5 plus P of E2, what you are going to write, 0.2 probability of, okay, the event D while already chosen from the floating rate means 3% it is. Okay, so 3% means 3 divided by 100, sorry, it is 0.05. Okay, 3 divided by 100, so 0.03 and plus here what, 0.7. So 0.7 into probability of the event while it is choosing from the what, while already E3 occurred means 0.1%. 1% means 0.01. Okay, so we'll be multiplying, it will be 0.005, it will be 0.006, it will be 0.007. Okay, so add this one. Okay, 6 5 7 6 13, 13 5 18. Okay, so 0.018. Okay, so probability that the first part we are solving, probability that loan is going, the customer, okay, if not able to pay loan on time, then it will be default. Actually probability that customer after availing the loan will default, that will be 0.018. it is the answer of the first part. Okay, answer of the first part. Now dear student, question second part, what want to say, second part want to say that a customer after availing the loan defaults on loan payment. It is already given. Okay, it's a default now. Then tell me what is the probability that he availed the loan at a variable rate. So it is like, you think like what is the probability that he is going to take loan by variable rate, and after that that event happening, divide by total probability. Correct or not? Means Bayes theorem you need to apply. So it is asking probability of E3 occurred while already, probability of E3 while already the event occurred. Again try to understand, question is saying okay, it occurred, that default loan going in default. Okay, defaults on the loan means probability D already occurred. So tell me the probability of E3, third event. E3 asking, correct. Variable rate, correct, variable rate asking, variable rate, yes. Okay, so probability of E3 while already D occurred, it is equal to probability of E3 into probability of the event while already E3 occurred divided by total probability. Divided by total probability means probability of E1 into probability of event D already E1 occurred plus probability of E2 into probability of D already E2 occurred plus probability of E3 into probability of D already E3 occurred. So you'll be writing it. It is this one probability of E1 into this. So 0.01. Okay, I am writing 0.0. Let me write it proper. 0.1 into 0.05, and total probability already we had calculated 0.01. So we are having from here 0.005 divided by 0.018. So it is 5 by 18. Okay, so probability of E3 that already the loan has gone on default, okay, customer declared as default, okay, is 5 by 18. Okay, so you can divide it. So 2 point, okay, we are dividing, oh sorry, we will be getting what, 0.277, okay, like that we will be getting the, this is the probability, okay, that second part answer it is. Okay, I hope so you are getting the points. Okay, if any doubt then you can raise the comment. Okay, if any question then also you can put the comment. Okay, we'll meet in the next question. Thank you.